Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mojito using Sprite. This simple recipe is perfect for a refreshing drink anytime. You'll need just a few fresh ingredients: mint leaves, lime, and sugar. Plus, of course, a chilled can of Sprite. Gather your tools, including a muddler and a tall glass, and let's get started on this bubbly, minty concoction. It's a quick and easy way to enjoy a classic flavor. Now, let's get to the heart of the mojito flavor. Take about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and place them into your glass. Add 2 lime wedges and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Using a muddler, gently press and twist these ingredients together for about 10 seconds. The goal is to release the fragrant oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, not to shred the leaves. With your muddled mint and lime ready, it's time to chill things down. Fill your glass completely with either crushed or cubed ice. Next, carefully pour approximately 6 ounces of chilled Sprite over the ice. The effervescence of the Sprite will begin to mingle with the muddled flavors. Give it a gentle stir with a spoon to ensure all the ingredients are well combined and the sweetness is distributed throughout. Your refreshing mojito is almost complete. For a final touch, garnish your drink with a fresh lime wheel or a vibrant mint sprig. This adds a lovely visual appeal and an extra burst of aroma. Serve your homemade mojito immediately to enjoy its crisp, bubbly, and minty goodness at its peak. This simple recipe yields one delicious drink, perfect for a warm day or any time you crave a refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.